Today, I'm going to show you some of the awesome things that you can make with the Doh Fun Factory. This is the Doh Fun Factory. Squeeze and mold crazy shapes. Let's see what's inside. So, in the first compartment, we have a tub of blue Play-Doh and a tub of yellow Play-Doh. In the second compartment, we have the Fun Factory itself. So, if you open it up, you see that the knife is clipped inside here. So you just snap it out, and you can snap it back into place when you're not using it. Here we have 3 basic molds. It's a butterfly, a smiley face, and a car. On the sides here are the little rail mold things that you can slide in here to make a lot of cool shapes. See, like there's a leaf and a star, and you just stick the Play-Doh in here and then push it out. This comes with 2 rails, so you have 10 different shapes to choose from. I really like the leaf one, so we're going to try that one first. You take your Play-Doh. Okay. Ooh, I like this color. Alright, let's see how much will fit in here. So we're going to soften it up. I think it'll only take half of this. And stuff it in. So just squish it in. I fit as much Play-Doh as I could in this little square compartment. Now we just have to push this down and see what happens. Ooh. Whoa. Whoop. That's a cool leaf shape. Let's do the other shapes. We're going to try the star shape next. Here's the star shape. Ooh. I'm supporting it just so it doesn't bend. I'm going to cut it. Fix it up. There we go. And there's your star shape. This is an awesome shape. It's a circle split in half. See, look. Whoa. Isn't that cool? Look at that. What would you do with this shape? So many possibilities. I don't know what this shape is, but it looks cool. Woo! Whoa! Oh, that's so cool. What even is this? It looks like a roller coaster track. Woo! Can go like this. This shape looks kind of like a cinder block, like in construction and stuff. It's like a part of a building. That looks really cool. We're going to use the other track now and use the yellow Play-Doh. This shape is 3 circles. Ooh. Whoa. What? It looks like some Play-Doh oozed out on the sides. This shade of yellow reminds me of cheese. This shape will make spaghetti or hair. Whoop, the stuff is coming out of the sides again. Ah! Whoa. Woo! Look, it's hair. This shape looks like it's gonna be a spiral. Whoa. Yeah, this looks kind of like licorice or like a peppermint stick. look. It'll look cooler if we twist it. This one looks really cool. They're like little bar shapes. Ooh. Whoa. You could use this shape for all sorts of things. These are some squares. Let's see how this one turns out. Look at this. You can make like French fries. Like, I wonder what happens if you twist them. Ooh, this looks like licorice. That's cool. Now that I've shown you how to use these two awesome Play-Doh sets, we are ready to make some cookies.
If you like this video, click like. It looks like this. Check out this video. Wow, these look so real.
Yeah, let's take them to your teddy bears.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.